In transportation and logistics industry, managing a large number of devices poses significant challenges. Companies face difficulties ensuring employees use only essential apps, as manual management of routine tasks like device reboots are time-consuming and error-prone. Additionally, without comprehensive reporting, IT managers lack insight into device usage, hindering informed decision-making and operational efficiency. This is where AirDroid Business comes in. This all-in-one mobile device management solution is designed to simplify device management for IT professionals in the transportation sector. With AirDroid Business, you can easily implement kiosk mode, locking devices to only allow access to essential applications. This feature ensures that your employees stay focused on their tasks without the temptation of browsing other apps or settings. Setting up kiosk mode is straightforward. The IT manager can create a customized profile that restricts access to certain applications and settings, ensuring that only the necessary tools are available for the staff on the go. But that's not all. AirDroid Business allows you to automate device management tasks. For instance, you can schedule a routine reboot for all devices at 2 a.m. every day. This ensures that devices run smoothly and remain up to date without manual intervention. Finally, with robust reporting and monitoring capabilities, you can access detailed historical data for specific devices right from the dashboard. This insight empowers you to make informed decisions and optimize device usage effectively. In the competitive landscape of transportation and logistics, AirDroid Business is the solution you need for effective device management. By leveraging these powerful features, you can ensure that your operations run smoothly and efficiently. Discover how AirDroid Business can transform your device management experience today